Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am building a house. It's speed building. First of all, let's make a character because I think I restart my world. I don't know what is that, but okay. Let's start my own new once again a world. So first of all, I'm making the girl character and okay, let's make. Okay, so now I'm making the two-floor house. Okay, let's go. It's the house that I love, and this is my character. Let's open this all boxes and let's make the house. First of all, starting with here, and this is speed building, so you will enjoy the video. Okay, so this is the final look of the house. This is garden and kitchen and the floor. And I'm not making the second floor in this video, but okay, so let's go in the Friday gift shop. Okay, so let's unpack this all gift. First, this Minuso one, and this is the teddy bear. Okay, it's cute. Okay, so these all are my Friday gifts, and these all are so cute. I love these all Friday gifts. Okay, so I am opening this new free update. So let's open this. First of all, this one. Oh, this is like normal, but I want to open that recent Friday gift, not that one. Please, I hope this one is my favorite. Oh my god, this is the plant one gift. Like, this is so cool update. I love this update. Yeah, my god. Okay, so let's see that all items. Okay. those all those all updates are so good. And if you like this video, and like and subscribe. Bye.